This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Carrena Bush. Beautiful home in desired location. Close to West Town Mall and restaurants. Come take a look at this beautiful home ready for you and your family to move right in with a separate laundry/mud room off of the 2 garage. Custom master closet with plenty of Shelves.Programmable Wi-Fi compatible thermostat. New KitchenAid microwave, dishwasher and induction range 3 years old. Irrigation system. The additional area has a half bath which makes it perfect for entertaining. Come tour this beautiful spacious open concept home. For more information, review the details below or contact Carrena Bush at 865-693-1111.